Hey guys, it's Hailey. So we had to walk our sister home and now it's raining. See?
I'm going to get talked to by pedophiles.
See? See? It's raining. See? See?
Oh baby, it's raining.
It is raining like shit right now.
It's raining up here really hard.
It's spitting!
Yeah, we both of your cousins just gonna be like,
Did you know that the sky spits? Yeah! She just spit on the floor. That's very lay-like, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Oh shit. So, you're making a vlog. Yeah. Sam and Keen, I love you. Say that back.
I love you too.
You're not Sam and Keen, so I don't love you. It's like raining. Oh my god.
What if one of our friends comes by and he's like,
You want to sing now? Ready? Da, 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 da.
what song are you trying to sing there?
Yeah, body. Oh.
Body rock.
Can you hold that?
Hello, I'm Hailey.
Body rock. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take a bow. Get out, the heart is sticking now. An Indian girl staring at me. No offense to Indian people. I love Indian people. Nah. You just want to point to Hailey now.
No.
Sorry guys, I covered the camera.
Oh, look at the dog. So beautiful.
The dog.
Beautimous. Where's your mom? Like, how far is she away?
Oh, she's like near Wonderland.
Oh my god!
Is beauty.
That's Adrian Force.
Ew. Bye guys, I love you.